In a typical internet connection, you connect to the websites that you want to visit. These websites can identify who you are, and also they could identify the IP address through which you are accessing their server. While on the other hand, the Tor network contains of numerous nodes or a relay point that encrypt your data. They transfer your data through multiple layers of encryption and then deliver your data to the intended server. That's why Tor users are secure. So let's go ahead and install the Tor browser from Tor official website. Make sure you are at tor.project.org. Let's go ahead and click on download Tor browser. Now choose your device. My device is Windows device. Let's go ahead and click on Windows. Let me specify the location. Once Tor is downloaded, let's go ahead and begin the installation. Here you go. Let's choose the language English. That's fine. The location to install the Tor browser. Tor browser installation is finished. I wanna run Tor browser now and add Tor browser to start menu and desktop icon. Let's go ahead and click on finish. Once I open the Tor browser for the first time, Tor browser is asking me to connect to the network. Now you can say here that Tor browser routes your traffic over the Tor network run by thousands of volunteers around the world. So I always want when I start Tor browser, it automatically connects to the Tor network. Let's go ahead and click on connect. Alright, it's done. And for Tor browser setting, I will recommend you to keep them default, but there are few settings I want you to play around with them. The first setting I want to show you in the connection is bridges. It helps you to bypass the censorship and access the Tor network even in the regions where Tor is blocked. So, where the Tor network is blocked, they actively detect and hide hidden entry points, making it harder for government and ISPs to restrict your connection. So let's select OBS4. Whether you're using OBFS4 Snowflakes or Meek-Azure, configuring them is as simple as like this. Now the second setting I want to address here is HTTPS. Now let's go to privacy and security and scroll down to HTTPS only mode. Tor browser enforces all websites request use HTTPS only modes, protecting your data from being intercepted or tamped. So this is very important when you are using Tor, as this provides an extra layer of security provided by the Tor network security. The third thing here I want to show you that Tor security level that disables certain web features that can be used to attack your security by anonymity. Most user uses the standard protection level of security, but if you want to be more secure and you are visiting rescue website, usually you could select safer or safest here. These higher level disable features like JavaScript, non-HTTPS website, some fonts and match symbols, and also HTML5 media or WebGL or click to play, and also reduces the risk of security. Now let's talk about some other Tor features. Tor could be slow as compared to other browser because your traffic is routed to Tor network and to multiple relays in the world. Secondly, it doesn't protect against all threats like user mistakes, phishing, downloading dangerous files. Additionally, Tor may not work perfectly with some websites that doesn't allow Tor traffic. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, quality and quick tutorial. So thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the Tor browser. I hope this guide has empowered you to browse the internet with enhanced privacy and security. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is the key in the digital age. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.